I want to do a quick short video on what you need to do to get your house ready to sell in a market that is now changing. It is now going into a buyer's market. Still a strong seller's market, but it is definitely shifting. We've got a lot more homes on the market than we did. Inventory is increasing. So in the past, you wouldn't have to do much of anything, put the house on the market and sell. But there are some things that you need to consider prior to putting it on the market. So, you should always, my opinion, is always consult a real estate professional, a realtor, to come out and look at it, because there are a lot of things that you don't need to spend money on, and there's some that you can spend money on that will give you some return actually for your dollar. So if you do some of these things, you're actually probably going to at least get your money back, be able to sell the house quicker, and maybe even make a few dollars. So it also depends on the local market where you're at too, and what type of property. But Realtor.com has a saying that in order to stand out in a market that is a buyer's market, you need to do something different and have some selective updates, okay, to make the home attractive to buyers versus other properties. So not all renovations are equal, okay? So what that means is there are certain things you can do that really can make a difference. For instance, if you're a buyer and you're walking into a house and you look at it and you're walking in and all the floors need to be redone. Let's say it's a bright purple floor tile, okay? Nothing against purple, but for the most part, that's not going to help sell the house. So a buyer would look at that and say, oh my gosh, this is a major, they may love the house, may love the floor plan, may love everything about it. But they may pass on that property just based on the flooring. So there are some remodeling things that NAR recommends. So here's a slide on that. Vinyl siding will get you 82% back on your dollars. If you have an old garage door that's broken, doing a new garage door, they say you'll get 100% back on that. Roofing, super important. Insurance companies, if the house has a roof that's older 15 years, they just are a real pain to insure. So a new roof, and especially with a buyer, if they know that's going to be a problem, they may get canceled on insurance. Putting a new roof, you should get your money out of that. They're saying 100%. Upgrading the insulation. Everybody, power bills are going up. Everything's expensive. Inflation. Putting some insulation in the attic can make a huge difference, 100% back, and it's not that expensive, believe it or not. New wood flooring, maybe like I was talking about, putting in flooring in the house rather than the old tile or nasty carpet or something like that. And that's showing 118% back according to this slide. And then if you have old hardwood floors, they're gorgeous if you refinish them. And actually the cost of refinishing hardwood floors is not that expensive. So I would suggest doing that. That is a great way to just get those polished up. Makes the house really show well. But there again, back to what I was saying, get a real estate professional out there to take a look at it. If you have a house that, for instance, is in need of a lot of updates, doing one bathroom may not make a difference. It may not be worth the money to spend on it if everything else has to be updated. We're the marketing specialists, so definitely reach out to a realtor before you spend any money. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Love it. And if you are in need of any kind of real estate needs in the East Central Florida, Greater Daytona Beach area, I'm with eXp Realty, Steve Gardner, your local realtor. I would just hit me up. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions and help you out with buying or selling. Until next time, thank you.